and what are the main steps which are discussed in accounting cycle, which is most probably used in any accounting systems. And if we discuss about the accounting cycle is a collective process of identifying, analyzing, and recording the accounting events of a company. It is a standard 8 steps process that begins with the transaction occurs and ends with its inclusion in the financial statement. And that key steps or 8 steps are accounting cycle, which are include recording journal entries. It's starting from a recording journal entries, posting to the journal ledger, calculating trial balances, making adjusting entries, and creating financial statement. And in accounting cycle, it refers to a complete sequence of accounting procedures which are required to be repeated in the same order during each accounting period. And it is a complete sequence beginning with the recording of the transaction and ending with the preparation of the final accounts. And the main steps of accounting cycles are: first one is analyze the transaction, journalize the transaction, post the transaction to accounts in ledger, prepare a trial balance, prepare a financial statements. The accounting cycle steps like the sequence of steps in recording transaction in the shape of transactions, documentations, journal, ledger, trial balance, and financial statements are the main steps of accounting cycle. And the accounting cycle steps like analysis of transaction from source documents and journalizing the transaction, posting of journal entries into ledger accounts, balancing of each ledger accounts, preparation of a trial balance to establish equality of debits and credits in the ledger account, recording and adjusting entries in the journal, recording and adjusting entries in the ledger account, and recording and the closing entries in the journal, while the preparation of financial statement and in final accounts. The accounting cycle main steps are analyze the transaction. In analyze the transaction, we use the process starts with the source documents, which are the supporting original documents or original records of any transaction. And the example of analyze the transaction in shape of sales slips or invoices, check stubs, purchase orders, bank deposit slips, and cash receipts slips are the main transaction which are occur in any business. And the accounting cycle steps like generalize the transaction. This in the second step, an analysis of the transaction is placed in a book of original entry journal, which is a chronological record of how the transaction affects the balances of the appliances accounts. And in generalizing the transaction, the most common example in generalizing the transaction, a diary of all events transaction is in an entity life or in any business. And the third one accounting cycle step is post the transactions to journal accounts in the ledger. In this third step, transactions are entered into the ledger. One thing remember on the third one step, the first one is remember that a transaction is not entered in just one place. It must be entered in each account that it affects. And the second one point, depending on the nature of the organization, analysis of the transactions could occur continuously and periodically in the accounts in the journal ledger. And the fourth one step of accounting cycle is prepare a trial balance. The fourth step includes the preparation of the trial balance, which is a simple listing of all accounts from the ledger with their balancing, where aids in verifying accuracy and in preparing the financial statement, and it prepared periodically as necessary in the trial balance. And the fifth one and last one step of accounting cycle is prepare financial statement. While preparing financial statement, the final step of the financial statement are prepared in the shape of the first one thing which we kept in mind, and the first condition of prepare financial statement is financial statement may be prepared after each quarter of the year, and the companies may prepare financial statement at various other intervals meet the needs of the user or at prepared at